Okay, this is a machine that I'm doing. I'm making oat milk but today I'm only making, okay, this is an unboxing. I'm making me some almond milk today. Yep, and I will put the link in the bio. This is one of the best almond milk machines they have. I love it. I will have the name and the link in the bio. Some good stuff. You gotta worry about what's in it because you're putting whatever needs to be in it. Come with the cord. Also come with a measuring spoon. Then the machine itself. Not huge, but it's still nice. Look, isn't that beautiful? Yes, beautiful. So let me make sure my frame. Yeah, my frame. Okay. Take the sticker off of here. Move this out the way, and then I'm gonna look at the directions because I haven't made one before. So I'm gonna do it, the unboxing and the mixing now. I already pre-soaked my almonds. I heard you were supposed to do that on YouTube. I pre-soaked my almonds. It's supposed to be 24 hours, but I did it for 48 hours. I hope it's okay. So let me go rinse this out. I'll be right back. Now that I rinsed it out, let's see how this goes. Let me read the instructions. Plug it up first. Hope y'all can see everything. This is in frame. Doing it from my phone today. Yeah, we ain't got my mic so you can hear me better. My bad. I thought I had it on. You can clip it there. Or, let me see, or I can clip it on my locks. I'll clip it right here. So, let me get the instructions. Let's get this going. Ingredients. Remove lid, add ingredients. I need to know how to add. I've never seen this done before. We're going to see this at the same time. Use the non-heated. So for room temperature and for warm milk. Oh, it creates warm milk for beverages. Like if I want some coffee or something, I want to put the milk in there. Then they have the boil temperature. I don't know why they got the stuff clean. You got to keep warm. The hot temperature, it reaches boiling temperature as well. Room temperature. And then they have a delay start. Let's see how this goes. 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred nut, grain, or seed. Then you're going to add 1 to 1.5 cups of water. That's a half a cup of creamer. That's if I want just a regular basic milk. Then you can add a pinch of salt, sweetener, or anything if you want to add vanilla. So for almond milk, 2 tablespoons of raw almonds. And my tail made all this almond because I thought I could pour it in there, but I can't. So here we go, almond milk. Here's the tablespoon. Let me rinse that. Hey, I'm thinking I'm gonna be making a big old thing of almond milk, but I'm not. Plug this up right quick. There. Hope I'm still in frame. Plug this up right here. Woohoo! But since this cord so damn little, I'm gonna just put it right there. If it's still in frame. Okay, it is. Hope y'all can hear me. Okay. So 2 raw tablespoons of almonds. Now let it strain. I'm putting a lot of almonds in mine. 1, 2. 1 cup of almond milk. You can make up to the max line is right there. I think that's maybe 4 cups. Oh, that's the max line. 1 cup. That's not my book. Okay, now that I add that in there. Oh, gotta make sure it's locked. Got it. Okay, room temperature. Okay, 4 minutes. So we got 3 more minutes on here. I like this. So 1 cup of milk at a time. Nobody want to keep going through recalls. At the time you want to drink some milk, you're worried about what's in it. Alright, since it's done, take it on out. I can keep it warm, all that. You just turn the lid. I have the link for these as well. Because this is a perfect fit. Perfect fit. So I can unplug that. And unplug it so it don't. This is the strainer, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is what's up. Y'all, look at that milk. Half a jar of almond milk. This is it. I put in the refrigerator and I'll mix some more later. Right now I gotta get to work. But that's 2 things of it. I made 2 things of milk and that's what it came up to. Make your own fresh milk. And let me tell y'all one other thing I forgot. It makes more than almond milk. But it makes, you can make oat milk, almond milk, cashew creamer, soy milk, and then there's all other ones that it can make. You can do rice milk, flaxseed, walnuts, hemp, and let me see, hazelnut, pistachios, sesame, peanut, pecan, macadamia, pumpkin seed, and coconut. So really, any of the nuts and all that stuff that blends in there, you can make your own milk and creamer. Yeah, this is a must-have. This is a must-have. I'm not lying. Here go all the nuts I just listed right here. So this is something you just got to have. I can't wait to do the oat milk. I love oatmeal, so that's gonna be perfect for me. You saw how easy it was. I was having a mishap in the beginning because I didn't know you had to twist the lid. If you don't twist the lid, it's not coming on. So that's a good thing to know. Link will be in the bio. Make sure you get it in the description and subscribe for more stuff and how-to things I'm gonna be doing in here besides hair. Yeah, can't beat that. Okay, just let that go ahead and strain and lie. Got your fresh almond milk. Put in your coffee, your cereal, your oatmeal, whatever you need it for. At least you know whatever is in here is what you put in here. No recalls. Thanks for watching.